Catherine and William's wedding took place on Friday, 29th of April 2011 at Westminster Abbey in London, marking Catherine's transition into royal life and the beginning of her duties as a working royal. However, Catherine didn't simply acquiesce to her new role without setting some terms, as insiders have revealed. These terms may give a clue about why she's spending so much time out of the public eye these days, besides health reasons. Robert Jobson, in his latest book, Catherine, the Princess of Wales, the biography, reports that Catherine established key stipulations before fully embracing her royal duties. Jobson wrote, Catherine established some fundamental life rules that she would stick to when she joined the firm, adding she was clear from the outset that she would not be pigeonholed into carrying out particular duties. Her priority, she emphasized, would always be her family. Catherine often seems like the picture-perfect partner to the heir to the throne. According to Robert Jobson, though, that doesn't mean she always sacrifices her principles to fit in with the monarchy's ideals. Jobson wrote, she's got a steely core, and that enables her to say what she believes. She's not afraid of giving her input, and she influences a lot of people that make the decisions. The royal couple, of course, carries out their fair share of royal duties, but they both believe that being good parents is the most important role. Catherine would do her duty and support the crown, but with 3 children, 11 years old and younger, it's no surprise that parenting takes precedence over her royal duties. Catherine's dedication to her family and her health is evident in her decisions. While the public misses her presence, it's clear that her priorities are firmly set. As she navigates her health challenges and continues to care for her children, her strength and resilience shine through. The royal family and the public alike can only admire the princess's unwavering commitment to what truly matters most to her. In January 2024, Catherine disappeared from the spotlight for 6 months. She has since made 2 public appearances at Trooping the Colour and Wimbledon. Since then, though she is apparently done with public life for the remainder of the summer as she undergoing cancer treatment. When announcing her diagnosis in March, Catherine was clear about prioritizing her 3 children over the public during her recovery. She explained, most importantly, it has taken us time to explain everything to George, Charlotte, and Louis in a way that's appropriate for them and to reassure them that I'm going to be okay, per reports. Back in early June, a source close to the royals told the press that Catherine and those she works with were re-evaluating what she's going to be able to take on when she comes back, and added that she may never come back in the role that people saw her in before. Learning that the royal duties were always meant to take a backseat to her kids makes this seem even more likely. In his latest book, Mr. Jobson also reveals that these terms were actually presented by William to Queen Elizabeth and King Charles in early 2015. When Catherine was pregnant with Princess Charlotte. On her behalf, he explained that she desired more room to grow into her role and required more time to adjust to the peculiarities of royal life, per reports. Since then, Catherine has certainly risen to her responsibilities both as a senior royal and as a full-time devoted mother to her 3 children. She is recognized for playing the role of peacemaker between her husband and King Charles, with their relationship having significantly improved due to her gentle interventions. When asked in her first engagement interview if she was apprehensive about filling the shoes of the late Diana, the former Princess of Wales, she admitted yes. But since assuming the role, it's evident she has made it distinctly her own and imprinted her unique mark on her sector of the monarchy. Despite now being a fully fledged royal for almost 12 years, there is a major engagement Catherine is set to miss next month. William's 3rd annual Earthshot Prize Awards in Singapore. Many thought Catherine would definitely be traveling to Asia for the annual event, but the palace sources revealed she would not be attending.